National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Camp County in northeastern Texas, southern Cass County in northeastern Texas, Gregg County in northeastern Texas, Harrison County in northeastern Texas, Marion County in northeastern Texas, southern Morris County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Panola County in northeastern Texas, Smith County in northeastern Texas, Upshur County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Wood County in northeastern Texas, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from near Hughes Springs to 8 miles southeast of Lindale, or along a line from 23 miles east of Pittsburgh to 9 miles north of Tyler, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tyler, Longview, Marshall, Henderson, Kilgore, White House, White Oak, Gladewater, Gilmer, Lindale, Vivian, Hallsville, Dangerfield, Overton, Bullard, Wascom, Jefferson, Linden, Troop, and Hughes Springs. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a...
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.